In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a banner in Canva in just 15 minutes or less. Whether you're looking to promote something special, spruce up your social media, or simply want a professional looking banner without the need for a graphic designer, Canva is here to help. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to craft a standout banner design effortlessly. To begin, let's navigate to canva.com. It's a fantastic online tool for creating all sorts of visuals, from presentations to social media posts and of course banners. Once you've arrived, the first task is to type banner into the search bar. This will bring up a range of templates specifically designed for banner creation. With Canva's vast library, you'll have a myriad of options, ensuring that you'll find something that resonates with your vision. After typing banner into the search, you'll want to browse through the results and select the template that catches your eye. Remember, choosing a template that aligns with your theme or brand colors can save you both time and effort, as it sets the groundwork for the look and feel you want to achieve. When you've made your choice, simply click on the preferred template to open it. Now with your selected template open, you'll see an option labeled Customize this template. This is where the fun begins. Click on that and you'll enter the design interface where you can start making the template your own. Here is where you can unleash your creativity. Canva provides a user-friendly experience with drag and drop functionality, making it easy even for beginners to navigate and modify elements. In the customization stage, you can change colors, fonts, images, and text to suit your purpose. For an impactful banner, consider a bold font for main headings and a contrasting color palette that catches the eye while remaining harmonious. Use the toolbar on the left to upload your own images or logos if needed, or choose from Canva's extensive library of graphics and photos. As you work, don't hesitate to experiment with different elements. Remember, each element on the template can be customized, from text size and color to the images used. If you're unsure about your design, Canva allows you to preview your work before finalizing it, giving you the chance to make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied with your design, it's time to download your masterpiece. Click the download button in the top right corner and select your preferred file format. Canva offers several options, including PNG and PDF, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. And there you have it, a customized banner created in Canva, all within a span of 15 minutes or less. With this skill under your belt, you can create professional quality graphics with ease. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing.